The average American overpays their taxes by hundreds of dollars every year simply by not knowing about deductions they are entitled to. These 5 tips take 10 minutes to understand and can save you money every single tax season going forward. Every dollar you put in a 401k reduces your taxable income by that same dollar. An extra $1,000 into your 401k can lower your tax bill by $220 or more. IRA contributions may also be deductible depending on your income. Home office deduction if you work from home even part of the time. Student loan interest, charitable donations, unreimbursed medical expenses. Self-employed? Every legitimate business expense is a deduction. Do not scramble for receipts in April. Log expenses as they happen. One folder or OneNotes app for receipts and a mileage log. Missing receipts equals missing deductions. It is that direct. A big tax refund means you gave the IRS an interest-free loan all year. Adjust your W-4 to more closely match what you actually owe. Get that money in every paycheck instead of waiting 16 months for a refund. Filing early is the most effective protection against tax identity theft. You get your refund significantly faster than late filers. And you have more time to arrange payment if you owe anything. Use the free expense tracker in the description to log deductible expenses year-round. It takes 1 minute per week and could save you hundreds in April. Link below. New Money Tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.